What's the meaning of contingency fee? Contingency fee. Contingency fee.
Contingency fee. Contingency fee. A contingency fee is a fee that a lawyer or law firm charges based on the outcome of a legal case. Instead of charging an hourly rate or flat fee, the lawyer or law firm collects a percentage of the settlement or verdict amount if the case is successful. If the case is unsuccessful, the lawyer or law firm does not collect a fee. This type of fee arrangement is common in personal injury and other civil litigation cases and can allow individuals who might not otherwise be able to afford legal representation to pursue their case.